Right now I'm doing a course from Casey Neistat about filmmaking and storytelling. We are learning about cinematography. My videos will be more like cinema or more like movie, kinda. And I get an idea to make a beautiful shoot because I have a beautiful view here, as you can see. My drone is FPV drone. It's very noisy, huge, big, and I'm afraid that everybody would be scared in all apartment. My idea is to buy a new DJI Mini 3 Pro. This short video will be about how I'm going to buy a new drone in Ho Chi Minh City. Let's get into it. So we are in the Ho Chi Minh City, and right now I want to show you how we cross the streets because it's pretty scary. We did it, yeah. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And I would like to buy Mini 3 Pro. Can I see it? You have version only with this...
Yeah.
Okay.
This wasn't available.
Yeah, yeah how much is it?
21 million.
21 million. Okay, it's around $900. And this is Fly More kit?
Yeah.
How much is it?
4 million. 4 million.
4 million. 4 million. It's around $200. Okay, sir. Goodbye. Thank you. This is Landmark 81, and this is where we're going. Just come to the Landmark 81. It's like totally different world. It's not like Vietnam anymore. It's a very beautiful place, modern, luxury, and we will spend here one night. And I want to make a review of the DJI Mini Pro 3 here because we can make beautiful recordings, I believe. So stay tuned. So this is my second DJI drone. My first was DJI FPV, and what can I tell? It's pretty light. It's only 250 grams, so you don't need any license or anything in most countries in the world. But for beginner it's quite pricey because this is a pro version. You have DJI like Mini, the first generation, second generation. They are more cheaper. This is quite pricey, but it has features I like, and because of it I purchased it, and we will talk about those features later. The plastic looks very cheap, like it really looks like toy. Okay, it says to charge to activate the intelligent fly battery before using for the first time, so we need to charge it before use. Okay, so here we press and remove the battery, and it feels so light, and maybe because they wanted to keep it under 50 grams, so they had to use such a light plastics. So this version with remote is more expensive because the classic one, you don't have a screen, you use your phone screen. I like this one because it's quite dangerous when you flying and somebody will call you. You cannot use the phone during the flight. So I like this version more. The normal version costs around, I think, $700, and with this one maybe $900. I think $200 more. There is another little box. Yeah, it's a charging cable and spare propellers and screwdriver. Okay, so here is the fly more kit because we want to fly more. So wow, it's nice. This is the back for Mini Pro. It looks nice, good quality. So let's open it. It's inside. Yeah. Okay. I think there is a space for the drone, for spare batteries, some papers. Okay, so this is like battery kit. Here are 2 batteries and 1 battery from the original drone. So why I bought this drone? The first thing, it's so small. It's big, maybe like my hand. Yeah, if you have some bigger pockets, you can put it in the pocket. It's so light. I don't need any license. It's not very noisy. It's because my DJI FPV, it's like Formula 1, and many people are scared, or they don't like when I'm flying around. Like, people hate it. It has vertical and horizontal stabilization. FPV has only vertical stabilization. It doesn't have horizontal. But when you want to make a steady shot and it's windy, it's very difficult to get a nice shot with DJI FPV drone. DJI Mini 2 didn't have tracking, like it couldn't track objects. And this Pro has tracking objects, and this is one of the reasons I wanted to buy this, because it's small and it's tracking the people, tracking the objects, and it's so cool. I think we can make so nice and beautiful videos with this little bird. Now I'm charging the batteries, and we need to wait. Not sure if we will fly tonight. Hi guys, so this is landmark 81 in Ho Chi Minh City. This is like Hollywood in Vietnam, and this is the area, the park in front of the landmark 81, where we're gonna test DJI Mini 3 Pro. So guys, what I absolutely love about this drone is active tracking. The drone follows me right now, it's actively tracking me. So you can make pretty cool videos with this active tracking. You see, for example, right now I'm going towards him, and you see what he's doing? He's going backwards. So man, like I love this. This is the why I bought this drone for. Another cool feature I love about this drone, it can land into your hand, and look at it. Okay, you just roll it on the back and automatically turn off. And now we're going to see how the drone manages the obstacles. Okay, so here are some trees. So I'm really interested what he's gonna do, I hope. he's not gonna crash, because he can. Yeah, he's recording. Wow, it's doing so far very nice. And many trees, and he's doing pretty good job. Wow, I'm impressed. Look at it, like okay, what he's gonna do? Okay, what he's going to do right now? Wow. He flew below the tree. Okay. Right now I'm going here. Wow, he can do it. So cool. Okay guys, so this is very quick review of GoPro Mini 3. I absolutely love this drone, and I hope you too. And yeah, I will do another videos about this drone later when I get used to it, because right now I don't have much time to test all the things right here, because I'm here just for a few hours, and like you can play with this drone all day, all night. It's gonna be another gadget in my equipment with which I can make another nice stories. So guys, take care and have a nice day. See ya.